Now this is a conditioning shampoo. There's no need to use an actual conditioner afterwards. The shampoo is going to leave a conditioning coating on the hair. I'm going to get every strand of hair. It conditions the hair. It cleanses without leaving it dry and without stripping the hair. It stops dandruff, stops itchy scalp. And it's very smooth and creamy. Very smooth and creamy. So now her hair is shampooed with LaFone Cares conditioning shampoo. And we're going to comb through her curls. Look how easy that is. Wow. How hard is it to comb through your hair?
So hard. You get stuck like right at the top. Can't even go down anymore.
Okay. Scalp is clean. See, her scalp is clean.
Got hair in my eyeball.
Scalp is clean. Scalp is clean. Okay, all you need is a pea size of LaFone Cares silk cream. See, my hands are shiny. So you rub it through your hands, through your fingers, and you rub it through the hair. A pea size is going to coat every strand of hair if you apply it to your hands properly. See, I still have more on my hand. So the silk cream is going to give it some shine, some moisture, and it's a natural heat protector. This is what's going to make the hair nice and silky when we press the hair. Look at that. Silky straight. This is just blow dry. I never blow dry straight. I just blow dry until it's dry. And then this is pressed out. Big difference. We're finally finished. It's nice and silky. Nice and straight. It's definitely not a poof ball like before. Now we're going to leave it straight unless she wants to add curls. But this is just a press. We didn't go in and style it or anything. But I think she might want to leave it this way. I don't know. To the back. You can run your fingers right through it. A trim is important. So she gets her ends trimmed every 3 months. Look at that. Fingers go right through it. This is what healthy hair looks like. And this is when your hair is used to the LaFone Cares products. Look at that. Natural silk press. As soon as she wet this hair, it's going to go right back. Look at that shine. Look at that. See that shine right there? Let's check that out again. Look at that. See that shine? Look at that luster. And it's not greasy. 1 pea size of the silk cream. And that's all you need. We get you this.